It's mid-July and I'm making another visit to some young fruit trees that I started the training process for the homeowners in 2019. Let's take a look at how they're doing and check out what else is going on in the orchard. This is one of the peach trees that I started training to the open center system. As you can see, the tree has grown quite vigorously this year. The same is also true for the tart cherries. This apricot tree was pruned for the first time last year. Now, due to the poor quality branches, everything was removed in 2019 and the leader was cut back to encourage new ones. Here's how it looks in 2020. As I examined the various trees, I noticed that the color on this pear was yellow-green compared to the one nearby. This is a nitrogen deficiency. Next spring, based on the size of the tree's trunk diameter, it should be fertilized with about 3/4 of a cup of 10-10-10 or 12-12-12. The fertilizer should be applied just before growth starts, which would be late April to early May in our area. This is something that you should catch early when you're training fruit trees. Try to avoid branches that form a Y. The crotch angle is weak due to occluded bark and is more likely to split from ice on the trees or a heavy crop load. Another thing to watch out for on newly planted trees is drought stress. They need about 1 inch of rain per week, or you may need to apply supplemental water, especially if they're growing on light sandy soils. If you're not good at remembering to water, buy a watering bag, and you can see a link in the description. Here is the regrowth after pruning an untrained pear tree last year. One challenge will be to stay ahead of removing upright growth and watching out for a disease called fire blight. I do have a video on this disease, and a link will be added at the end of this video. Here are a couple of examples of branch spreading. The best angle is between 45 and 60 degrees. This will provide the best side branching and limb strength. Well, that's it for today. This is Gary. Be good.